Hi everyone, my name is Erin Lamberson and I currently teach Spanish here at the high school. The title of this session is Google Collaborate Part 2. In this session, we're going to look at Google Docs and how to use this cloud-based application in your classroom. Google Docs and all Google collaboration apps are perfect digital learning options and are available for students at any time of the day from home, at school, and in the community. Docs is another perfect example for Future Ready Gear 7, use of space and time. There are 4 main Google apps that we can use for collaboration. In this session, we're going to be focusing on Google Docs. Google Docs is an online word processing application that is perfect for classroom use. Students have the opportunity to do collaborative work, get feedback in real time, share their documents on the web, and collaborate and brainstorm as a team. For teachers, this is the perfect tool to create rubrics and grade student written work in real time. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is sign into your Google account. From there, you can do one of 2 things. You can type Docs in the Google search bar, or you can click on the gray icon in the upper right-hand corner. This is your Google Apps icon. Here, you will find a shortcut to access the Google Apps available to you. For this session, choose the Docs icon. At the top of the screen, you will see some templates you can use. For our purpose here today, I'm going to choose blank to show you guys some tools you can use within the document. First thing you want to do with any doc is give it a title. This will help keep your documents organized in your drive and easy to find later on. Google Docs offers all of the tools of a regular word processing software, much like Microsoft Word. At the top, there are several editing and tool options. File, where you can create a new document, look at versions of the document and times you edited it. The Download As button, which will allow you to download this Google Doc as a Word document, PDF, and many others. There is an email option, language option, and a print option. Under Edit, the user can undo and redo and copy and paste. View will show you your viewing options for the user. Insert will allow you to insert an image. You have options to upload from your computer, search the web, or your Google Drive. There is also an option to insert from your Google Photos or by URL, or take a picture with your computer at that moment. The link button will allow you to insert a link and edit the name in the document. For all you math teachers, you can insert an equation, insert a drawing, a chart, or insert a table. You also have options to comment within the document, great for when you collaborate with others or you are grading a student's work. Under Format, you will have the option to format your text, including font size, bullets, and numbering, line spacing, as well as many others. If you are familiar with Microsoft Word, these tools are exactly the same. Tools also offers the same tools as Microsoft Word and also offers an audio to text option, or what they term voice typing. Under Table, it gives you the options for creating a table within your document. The add-on buttons allow you to see the add-ons you have installed for this program or gives you the options to install others. Add-ons work in conjunction with the app and provide additional features for the program. The Help button will allow to search for help topics, so if you really get stuck on something, just type the topic in the search bar. The lower toolbar contains shortcuts for what I just showed you. On this toolbar, there are also mode options for the document. Here, you can choose to edit the document, make suggestions. It's perfect for grading student papers, or you can view and print. To share the document, simply click the Share button on the top right side. You will have the option to share the link or email the people you would like to share the document with. For students to access this, the best way is to put the link on your school website or post to your Google Classroom. It is always important to check your share settings. You will have the option to allow the collaborator to edit the document, only comment on the document, or only view, meaning they will not be able to edit the content. Remember, when using this in your classroom, you always want to make sure that when it is sent to the students, it is view only, so they do not edit the original, unless the purpose is for them to edit the document. The last note I want to mention is that Google Docs will automatically save every couple of seconds, so no more worrying about saving the document. So what are some uses in the classroom? Google Docs can be used by students for written responses. If you have assigned an essay or any other written assignment, this tool is perfect because you can suggest edits and comment on the student work in real time. You can also use Google Docs as a collaborative tool for students, allowing them to share the document with members of their group for their assignment and task and all work on it simultaneously. Teachers can use this as a grading tool and create rubrics to share with students. In my classroom, I use it for all three of these scenarios. That's it for this session. Please join us for Google Collaborate Part 3, where we'll be going over Google Slides.